Imagine standing on the edge of space, hovering above Jupiter's immense, swirling clouds, the largest planet in our solar system stretching out below. You feel the relentless pull of Jupiter's gravity, 2.5 times stronger than Earth's, yanking you closer and closer. As you brace yourself, wondering what lies below those thick, mysterious clouds, you take a deep breath and begin the descent. The journey begins with a strange calmness as you plunge into Jupiter's upper atmosphere. Here, the gas is thin, composed mostly of hydrogen and helium, and you're surrounded by a hazy, blue light that quickly changes as you sink lower. Strangely mesmerizing colors, peach, rust, pale blue, start swirling around you, and as you sink deeper, these gentle clouds evolve into something far more ominous. Soon, you feel a change in pressure. You're falling through layers of ammonia clouds, pungent and cold, bringing you closer to Jupiter's violent weather systems. The temperature drops suddenly, biting at your skin as ice crystals form around you. It's beautiful, but then you remember, no human has ever come this close before. Suddenly, the calm breaks. You're caught in the edge of a monstrous storm, one like no other in the universe. Swirling winds at hundreds of miles per hour batter against you, throwing you around like a leaf in a hurricane. The sky darkens, turning an angry shade of red as you realize, you've entered the Great Red Spot, a storm that's been raging for centuries, larger than Earth itself. The winds howl, and for a moment, you see a flicker of lightning, illuminating the depths of the storm. Thunder booms across the sky, echoing in waves of deep rumbling. You've fallen far enough now that Jupiter's atmosphere has grown denser, pressing down on you. The deeper you go, the heavier it feels, a crushing force that's almost liquid in its density. This is where Earth-made spacecraft would be crushed to pieces, but somehow, you're holding on. Beneath the storm, you encounter a strange, glowing layer, faintly illuminated by flashes of lightning. This is where Jupiter's intense magnetic field starts taking over, creating auroras that dwarf anything on Earth. The colors pulse and change, green, purple, and blue, electrifying the sky around you. The magnetic field is powerful enough to fry electronics, and you sense its intensity vibrating through you, a raw energy few will ever experience. As you continue your descent, the hydrogen in Jupiter's atmosphere undergoes a transformation. The pressure has grown so intense that the hydrogen begins acting like a liquid metal, shiny and silvery, reflecting the dim glow around you. This liquid metallic hydrogen is something no human eye has seen, a river of molten energy that flows like a vast, alien ocean. You can feel it humming with power as it conducts electric currents across Jupiter's depths. Lower still, you feel the temperatures rise rapidly, becoming unbearably hot. The air is now thick, dark, and suffocating. The heat intensifies with every passing second, reaching thousands of degrees. It's far hotter than anything on Earth, a heat so severe that the gases themselves are igniting, creating a lightless, fiery depth around you. Here, deep in Jupiter's core, you feel as if you're in a pressure cooker, surrounded by forces that no human body can survive. Finally, you reach what scientists believe may lie at Jupiter's core, a dense, rocky center, hidden under all the layers of gas and metallic hydrogen. The pressures here are unimaginable, millions of times greater than Earth's surface, and the temperature is hotter than the surface of the Sun. Yet, it's eerily quiet, as if you've reached the eye of a cosmic storm, a place where even Jupiter's roaring atmosphere is still. Before you disappear into this mystery forever, you take one last look back at the journey, realizing how little we know of the giants that share our solar system. Jupiter remains a world of storms, beauty, and untold secrets, a place where even the greatest explorers could never tread. This descent reminds us that the universe holds far more than we could ever imagine, hidden beneath layers of gas, light, and mystery.